a lot of time the coil plug needs to be replaced just because it stuck. This actually not a bad design and engineering for the coil, because it's not that hard to pull out. It's not that hard. It's actually easy to pull out. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed for the design. Just right here, just to cover any water, oil coming inside, just to cover it. So I got pull out for coin. Now I can go for those screws and remove this cover. What? Whoa. This is a solid cover. Again, here is another wiring socket. Be careful. I'm gonna need to a bit. I'm gonna take a bit help with this screwdriver. Now, yeah, chân tiêu. What? This is a long as auto wire. Obviously not installed properly by the previous mechanic. This wire. Oh, I'm gonna need to turn off camera for this hose, otherwise it will break right here. Not really, I can do it. Yes. That is good. Okay. Now the next step is this big ball. I'm gonna need 2 hands. So it's getting dark and I can't get access on that ball, so I'm gonna come back with a light. So I'm back with a light. some extension. So let's go from the back. That ball is that's not easy one to access, so probably the most time consuming one is that one. But still, if you have the right tools and adapter, you can take it out. Other than this, everything else is just easy peasy. You can definitely not do when the engine is hot. So actually you don't want to do this anything when the engine is hot. So now that I'm losing the screw, I'm gonna continue taking out the next day. Now it's dark and I can see shit. Oh shit, sorry.